Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkBook 14G8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your Lenovo ThinkBook 14G8 aren't responding, it can be quite frustrating. This issue may occur due to dust or debris under the keys, or it could be a sign of a malfunctioning keyboard. If not addressed promptly, it can hinder your productivity and lead to further complications. To tackle this keyboard replacement, you will need a few tools. Gather a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean cloth to keep things tidy. It's essential to ensure you have a static-free workspace to avoid damaging your device. To begin, make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Flip the device over and locate the battery release latch. Slide it to the unlock position and carefully remove the battery. Next, you'll need to unscrew the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove all the screws, making sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, locate the keyboard connector, which is usually situated near the top of the battery compartment. Carefully disconnect the keyboard cable by gently lifting the connector latch. Now, you can remove the old keyboard. Look for screws securing the keyboard in place, which are often located underneath the battery or along the edges. Unscrew them with your Phillips screwdriver and gently lift the keyboard out. When placing the new keyboard, ensure that it aligns properly with the connectors. Reconnect the keyboard cable by sliding it back into its slot and pressing down the latch to secure it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, you can replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the keyboard in place. Once that's done, reattach the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Don't forget to screw it back on securely. Finally, reinsert the battery and turn your laptop back on. Test the keys to ensure they are now responsive. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, keep your keyboard clean by regularly using compressed air to blow out dust and debris. Additionally, consider using a keyboard cover to protect against spills and crumbs. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.